Hello traders. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Sharpshooter EA for MetaTrader 5. This one's been around for a while and has a dedicated following. Developer promotes it as a precision trading system. So let's see what they claim, break down the strategy, and look at my backtest results. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5. There's lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so let's get into it. From the review on the MQL5 page, you can see that the Sharpshooter EA uses advanced algorithms with candlestick patterns, technical indicators, and price action analysis for entries. So it said the Sharpshooter is a new generation expert advisor with a one-shot trading strategy using a combination of ATR, awesome oscillator, and RSI to detect the most optimal entry. Just one shot straight to the targets. All right. It's claimed that the EA is specifically designed for modern traders looking for efficiency, accuracy, and total risk control without the need for martingale, grid, or averaging. All right. So it's for traders who are serious but relaxed and don't want a complicated EA or a complicated trading system. So, as for how it works, the developer says it analyzes the market using ATR, volatility, AO, momentum, and RSI for the overbought/oversold signal. Entry is done only when all indicators are in sync. The EA immediately sets TP and SL upon entry and doesn't open another position until a new signal appears. One position, one target, one result. Okay. So the EA includes built-in money management, customizable risk settings, and protective features like stop losses, as I previously said. It's part of a series from the same developer, and they emphasize long-term consistency over aggressive gains. Backtests shown are usually on various pairs with good modeling quality, claiming steady performance with controlled drawdowns. Let's take a look at some of these backtests shown by the developer. Okay, we have a smooth looking equity curve over here. You can see how it kind of grinds upward over time. You can see it actually has a smooth movement with, okay, started off a bit rough, moving to the upside and the downside, moving in a zigzag manner, but over time the overall movement is upwards. And if you take the mean of this, it's kind of like a straight line to the upside from the bottom left to the top right. So it looks like it performed well over time, generally, despite the minor dips here and there, or despite the minor drawdowns. Um, so for the results here, for his backtest results, for initial deposit of $100, the total net profits was $530. The profit factor was above 1 at 1.35. The balance drawdown was 11%. Right, so it actually looks quite okay on paper. But let's compare this to my own personal backtest and see how it actually holds up, if it holds true to what the developer actually claims. So I was opportune to carry out my backtest on the EUR/USD pair on the M15 time frame for the custom period of a year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. All right, and for the period, I got the following results. Let's take a look at my equity curve first of all. So the equity curve started okay, but gradually declined over time with some small recoveries. Deposit loss shows regular trading activity. Overall, it ended with a net loss. As you can see in the stats are negative. The total net loss was $206. The profit factor was below 1 at 0.61 and relatively small drawdowns for 2.46%. This indicates the system took many trades. As you can see here, total trades 116. Took many trades. but couldn't overcome the losing ones during the period. So, compared to the developer's positive backtests and claims of precision, my results were disappointing but not catastrophic. The drawdown stayed controlled, which matches the risk management focus. However, the lack of net profit shows how real market conditions can differ from optimized tests. The thing is, many EAs look great in selective backtests but struggle in live or defense periods. Honestly, the features that matter are proper risk settings using the recommended pairs and timeframes and regular monitoring. The entry logic is the core, but money management determines survival. Alright, so what are the nuances? Even with good risk controls, a string of losing trades can slowly erode the account. Broker spreads, slippage, and news events can impact performance. Conflict is a common issue in live trading. Results often vary from backtests. This means you need patience, realistic expectations, and possibly multiple tests across different periods. So, who is this actually for? This is for traders who like rule based systems from a known developer and are willing to test thoroughly and adjust parameters. Good if you have time to monitor and optimize. You should avoid this EA if you're looking for quick profits, can't tolerate drawdown periods, or prefer fully hands off EAs without any tweaking. So, overall, the Sharpshooter EA has a solid reputation in some circles, but my test showed challenges. It's worth demo testing with your broker, but don't expect guaranteed results. Always trade responsibly. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to review next. Grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.